Hello, this is Kurt from RiskRevu, and today I wanted to talk about how easy it is to share our RiskRevu forms. So there's two basic ways to share our forms. The first way is when you are logged into your account. This is your dashboard. The screen that we're looking at right now is your dashboard, and there's this button right here called Forms. So you can click this button, and that will bring you directly to a list of all of your forms that you've selected as part of your account. And so here you can see all the forms. And so all you have to do is click this copy button right here. That'll copy this link right here to your clipboard, and then you can paste that into an email to send to a client or a prospect. Now the second way, let's just go right back to the dashboard real quick. The second way to share forms is actually outside of the logged in account. And so to get there, I'm going to show you how to do that. First, let's log out of the account. And so, let's take, for example, if you are on vacation or you don't remember your username or password, or you're at home and you can't get into your account for some reason. You can actually go right to your public profile by typing in the URL RiskRevu, riskrevu.com/ your first name dash last name. In our case, this is demo dash account. All right, and so that brings us right to the public profile where you can access all of your forms. So let's just take a quick look at new policies, and let's navigate to the form that we want to share. And let's say we want to share the automobile insurance form because one of our clients is buying a car and needs insurance. And so here, you just hit the share button and then hit the copy link. And then that link is now copied and you can paste that into an email and send it off to a client or prospect. Now, one thing I want you to note with these links is that every link has a number at the end of it, and that is the RiskRevu user's unique identifier. And so it's just important to make sure that that number is at the end of every link that is sent out. Also, it's important to note that all these forms can be shared not only from your desktop, but also from a mobile phone. So I hope this information was helpful to you in trying to understand how to share RiskRevu's forms. And thank you for watching.